Hello everybody. So BBB has posted a new Guess the Monster sound challenge, and it said challenge may play a distorted sound that doesn't sound like any other monster. When reversed it sounds like this. I will now sketch it to fit the BPM of 140 and you will see why soon. There we go. Now I will bump it up and I gave you to sound really low. It sounds like an accordion. As you can see, its melody goes and then deep before getting it off. That's weirder. Island sing on castle bass also goes and then deep. Let's play that together. It's the exact same. I will now play what I believe the rest of the record sound like. I will now put that into the song with a certain song weird I'll say.
Are you worried that it's ending doom? Those evil villains got you filled with gloom. Well, don't you fear, there's a hero in the sky, the sky, the sky. It's not a bird and it's not a plane, and it's not an exile sandwich. It's the whisper of your mighty battle cry. Never watch out the crew.
Okay, maybe not the best, but you get my point. Still though you can't tell me this isn't clear island legendary when it perfectly fits with the bass line. Well, that's all I wanted to show, so bye for now.